Coming back with you again with another video. New rewards program. Actually, old reward program, Rakuten. I heard of it before, but I'm actually promoting it now. It's worldwide. Rakuten is worldwide. Your whole shopping mall where you would like to shop at, it's all in one spot. Lowe's, 2% cash back. They will give you money back. 10%. Nike, high-end stuff, the top brand name company, and so forth and so on. I just got $30 added to my account for me purchasing from one of my vendor accounts called Kohl. I'm a member with Kohl. So I'm a member with Kohl. I don't need to accept that. So again, I'm gonna show you around. This is my balance right here. Lifetime cash back. $30. $33.46. I'm billing at this time. They're gonna send me a check, whatever, how you want to get your money. Send you a check, PayPal, American Express. It doesn't matter. I chose the check department. It's quicker and easier. You can go to your bank and cash your check. So yes. So this is me right here. I just got this money today. And I got the email to prove it too. So yes, Rakuten, you can refer a friend. There you go. Refer a friend. Give 30, get 30. Winning situation. Get 30 for every qualified referral chain. You'll invite link. Yes, I'm going to invite people to this link. I'm going to invite them after I'm done with this video. You can share via text message, SMS text message, email. We already know about this. Get your message out. It's not easy. It's not hard. It's very easy and lucrative. Very easy. So I refer to these people at. I send out email. I send out an email, and I'm waiting for pending approval from them. So if y'all have an email address, I'll send you a private email link if you may choose to. I just need a workable email address to do the same also. So I will send you this information. See, there you go. 1, invite friends. Rakuten. We already shop at the favorite store already. We all know about this store. We all know about all the stores right here. I'm a vendor with this company. I'm a business owner working from home. I have a vendor account with this company, Kohl. So there's no reason you can't make no money. Walmart, Target, Macy's, everything is online, everybody. If you want a computer, Dell, Levio, Black Friday, anything you're looking for. And good thing about this is international wide. It's worldwide. Rakuten is worldwide. Chinese people are using it. Japanese people are using it. Australian people are using it. The whole world is using this to save money. So do me a favor. When you see my link out there, join. It's free to join until you start shopping. As soon as you add your credit card in your back office, you can start shopping and you get your money back, plus $30. It's a winning situation here. Winning situation. All right, talk to y'all soon. Come back with you again with another video.